Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two mini drones on our table that are perfect for beginners and kids. Let's dive in and compare the UNTEI 2-in-1 mini drones and the CuteAnt drones. When it comes to design, the UNTEI 2-in-1 mini drones offer a unique combination of a mini drone and a toy car. You can race it on the road and instantly transform it into a flying drone whenever you want. It's a perfect way to experience the fun of both racing and flying. Plus, it features propeller guards for added safety. On the other hand, the CuteAnt drones come with a sleek design and a foldable structure, making them compact and portable. They also include 4 propeller guards and 8 spare propeller blades to ensure safe flight. Both drones are made with high-quality materials, but the UNTEI drones are specifically designed for indoor use, while the CuteAnt drones can be used both indoors and outdoors. In terms of features, the UNTEI 2-in-1 mini drones offer 3D flips and fly capability, allowing the drone to do 360-degree circles and fly at high speeds. It also has LED lights for better visibility during night flights. Additionally, it has one-key takeoff, landing, and auto-hovering functions, making it easy to control, especially for beginners. The UNTEI drones also have 3 speed modes to accommodate different skill levels. On the other hand, the CuteAnt drones come with a 1080p HD camera that allows you to capture amazing views. You can connect your phone to the drone via Wi-Fi and enjoy FPV mode on the app. It also has multiple fun features, such as 360 degrees flips, circle flight, and trajectory flight. The CuteAnt drones are perfect for beginners thanks to their one-touch takeoff landing button, altitude hold mode, and headless mode. When it comes to battery life, the UNTEI 2-in-1 mini drones offer a total of 17 to 20 minutes of flying time with their included batteries. This allows kids to enjoy longer playing sessions and practice their drone flying skills. The UNTEI drones also have a low battery power alarm to prevent any loss or damage due to low power. On the other hand, the CuteAnt drones come with 2 rechargeable batteries that give you a total of 30 minutes of flying fun when fully charged. This ensures longer flight time and more enjoyment. In terms of price, the UNTEI 2-in-1 mini drones are priced at $99, while the CuteAnt drones are priced at $59. Both drones offer great value for their respective price points. Let's take a look at what customers are saying about these drones. And there you have it, a comparison between the UNTEI 2-in-1 mini drones and the CuteAnt drones. Both drones have their unique features and functions, catering to different preferences and needs. Whether you're looking for a versatile indoor drone or a drone with a camera, both options have something to offer. Remember to consider your priorities and budget before making your decision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and buying guides. And as always, stay tuned to Buy Smart for all your smart buying needs. See you next time.